Evolution of immunoassay until invention of ELISA. Different type of antibodies. There exist 5 different antibodies, uh, which are different in configuration and function. These antibodies are IgG, IgG, IgA, IgM, IgD, IgE. Capital letter in the names of these antibodies refer. In the protein separation process, these antibodies appear at the gamma band A. In the protein separation process, this antibody appear in the beta and gamma bonds. Beta, it was initialized by A1 and C1a, but later was renamed alpha globulin. M. This antibody is named macroglobulin due to its faster sedimentation process than IgG. D. In the protein separation process, this antibody appear after beta and gamma bands. For that reason, its position is referred to as band, delta band. E. This antibody is produced only after exposure to certain allergic antigen that are cause of erythema disease, skin allergic reaction. Immunoglobulin IgG. Among different type of antibody, IgG is considered to be most common type with approximately 57% of serum antibody in the human. These are produced and released onto the bloodstream by plasma B cells. IgG is the chief antibody against microbes that act by converting them to accelerate their removal from the immune system. Presence of IgG in body provide a long-lasting immunity against the infectious agent. IgG are relatively large molecule of the tetramic quaternary structure composed of 4 peptide chain, 2 identical C-heavy chain, and 2 identical light chain. IgG has 2 binding sites for coupling with the antigen. These are mainly found in blood and extracellular fluid. IgGs can be very mobile. They have the ability to pass from the bloodstream or between the cell into the organ, even the skin, where they neutralize the invading microorganisms. This mobility in the nature of IgG also allows them to migrate through the mother placenta to her fetus, uh, hence providing temporary defense in the body of the unborn child. Even after birth, IgGs to a certain extent are transferred to the child body through uh, breastfeeding. Remaining of the transferred IgG via placenta transmission will serve to child immune system until the body starts producing antibodies. Immunoglobulin IgA can be found in 2 isotypes, IgG1, IgG2, which are both glycosylated protein present in tear, saliva, mucus, and secretion of the respiratory, reproductive, digestive, and urinary tract. IgA play a vital role in neutralizing bacteria and virus and preventing them from entering the body, accessing to the internal organ. IgAs can also be found in blood serum in very small concentration, while possessing some basic similarity. Each IgA is specific designed to defend the body against a particular type of invader that might attack different opening of the body. Model of the human IgA Structure of IgM 5, IgE, structure IgE, IgD, immunoglobulin IgM composed of 5 Y-shaped until immunoglobulin IgM is the largest antibody among all, thus rather more effective against large microorganisms present in the blood. IgM function like IgG in defending body against antigen. However, due to its large size, it can't cross the tissue membranes. IgM are generally responsible for the initial protection against invading microorganisms, whereas the more effective protection will be offered by IgGs produced by the plasma cells. The ratio of IgM and IgG is in direct correlation with different stage of disease. The number of IgM at the early stage of the illness is dominant. As the illness progresses, a greater number of IgGs would be present in comparison to IgM. Immunoglobulin D is mostly present at the surface of the B cells as it assists this class of cells to recognize specific type of antigen. For that reason, the concentration of IgDs released in the bloodstream is very small. Present the structure of the human myeloma IgD. Normally, IgDs are co-expressed with IgM on the cell surface. The approximate molecular mass of IgD is 185 kilodalton and it's active for 2 to 8 days. IgDs exist in various specific forms, cartilaginous fish to human immunological. IgDs task in B cell is signaling cell, so they can be activated to take part in the IgE, immunoglobulin E, are responsible for allergic reaction. They bind to the surface of the muscle that often contain substances released during all allergic reaction. IgEs are synthesized by plasma cell. IgEs consist of 4 peptide chain, 2 heavy chain, and 2 light chain. Their main function is defense against parasites such as Schistosoma mansoni, Trachinella spiralis, Plasmodium falciparum, and Fasciola hepatica. The main product of body in the case of type 1 hypersensitivity, which is expressed in various allergic reactions such as allergic asthma, most type of sinusitis, allergic rhinitis, food allergies, specific type of or chronic urticaria, while IgE are considered to be the last abundant type. 0.05% of the antibody in bloodstream, they are capable of activating the most powerful inflammatory response in the